Take these 4 actions to start cultivating an abundance mindset today. Take a moment to see where you are on the abundance mindset spectrum. Are you more down the scarcity end or somewhere in the middle? If you feel that life is a grind and wealth and success are a matter of luck, you might want to move out of scarcity mode. Most of your money beliefs are established in childhood and influenced by your family's narrative about money and success. But being brought up to have a scarcity mindset is not a life sentence. You can take control of your mindset and course correct to a life that's more satisfying, open to opportunities, and more likely to be successful. Here are 4 things you can do to reset your mindset to abundance. 1. Mind your language. It's easy to get stuck in a negative language vibe. Do you complain about work and how hard it is to get ahead? Do you grouse whenever the bills come in? Are you maintaining a narrative of scarcity or abundance? Step back and notice what phrases and words come up when you think about money, wealth, and success. Are they words of struggle, luck, or fate? Switch up your language to tell a more positive, grateful story where you're content with what you have and look forward to receiving more. 2. Focus on growth. Abundance means growth, and growth comes from continually learning and expanding your experience. Say yes to opportunities to learn new skills, develop a curious attitude, ask questions, and dig to find the answers. Whether it's a new job opportunity or mentoring, learning a language, or finding a new hobby, stay open to new possibilities, and you'll be surprised where it might take you. 3. Focus on what is working out. It's easy to get distracted by the things that are not working in your life. But do you ever take time to notice and celebrate what's going right? Cultivating an optimistic perspective has been shown to lead to a happier, even longer life. Accentuating the positive will also give you more energy and motivation to keep going, even when things are tough. 4. Make your own abundance affirmations. Studies have shown that using positive affirmations can have a demonstrable effect on stress levels and cognitive skills. Affirmations that are meaningful for you can help your subconscious move from anxiety and scarcity to confident abundance. Start making your own affirmations by listing your current fears, and then go through listing the opposite to those fears. Use the second list as your personalized abundance affirmations.